Most unique thing about our trailer is really the innovation and the technology behind it. We use Huck fasteners for connecting, all of our parts on our trailer in an industry where everybody else is kind of conventional using traditional welding techniques.
Aluminum is very strong when it's first made, but when you weld it, you lose over half the strength.
Anytime you need to provide greater strength, think of a bridge, think of a truck frame, you're going to bolt those things together. You need more integrity, more guarantee.
You just simply want a fastener there to hold it together, and that was kind of your initial outline. But as we begin to get into it a little deeper, there were two types of fasteners that came at us that Huck had.
So basically, we knew that it would be stronger if we used something like a Huck bolt or a Huck fastener to assemble our trailer. It was just trying to design a trailer that could actually leverage those fasteners, which was not done before.
On a truck or a trailer or a rail frame, the vibration is very significant. Very high vibration environments, very repeatable vibration, high cyclic loading, which is going to want to rattle any structure loose, is going to want to destroy joints. But Huck bolts, since the 1940s, have proven that once you install them, you don't have to think about them again. They've truly become part of the structure. They're a permanent installation.
All of our components, the sidewalls, the floor, all the way down to the subframe where the axles and suspension mount, everything is bolted, and there's no competitor that does that.
We are a weld-free trailer design, and it is a beautiful finish, but we sell the fact that it's redefined strength, modularity, which leads end users with low downtime if they have to make repairs to their trailer, less maintenance overall. We say that our trailer will outlast all of our competitors. But one thing we tout with the fact that we use Huck bolts or Huck fasteners to build the trailer, or to the design of the trailer, it actually allows for flexibility in the body of the trailer, whereas a weld is more rigid. So, with twists and bends, those trailers are going to potentially crack in those areas of weld, whereas the bolts themselves allow for movement, and you don't have that snapping occur in the body of the trailer.
We got machines to drill a hole straight, true, so it makes it a lot easier than hand drilling. The Magnalocks are easy to work with, they're easy to hook. It's more consistent and a lot faster. The fasteners that we use and the way we have the process, I can build a trailer every 6 days, starting from size to ready to ship. These fasteners make it like Legos. Think of big Legos, it's just a puzzle piece.
The feedback that we're getting, they certainly like the ability to repair the trailer. So the modular aspect allows us to, we use Huck bolts to repair things faster. We use Huck bolts to repair things at a lower cost, and we use Huck bolts to repair things to a like new state.
Hicks is a really cool partner for us. They think in a lot of the same ways that we do. They think about designing and building in a modular fashion because it makes their assembly line more nimble, and it allows them to design new structures very quickly. And our fasteners are specifically designed to eliminate the labor required and the time required to assemble a trailer. So for a customer like Hicks that wants to move very quickly, wants to assemble trailers very efficiently, very cost effectively, we have a lot of solutions for that, and it's a really good partnership.